The outlet tube transports air from the compressor pump to the check valve, where it enters the tank. The aluminum tube can be damaged accidentally during transportation or if something falls on it. Over time, the tube might fatigue and crack from the vibration of the compressor. Replacing the outlet tube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before doing any work on your air compressor, it's a good idea to drain all of the air out of the tank. You can do that with the tank drain. Just open it up and let all the air drain out. I'll begin by removing the manifold cover. Next, I'll remove the hose clamp. The hose clamp will have to be cut free. Because the hose clamp has to be cut, it's not reusable. Now remove the pressure switch hose. Now remove the motor and pump assembly from the tank. Now remove the motor cover. Now I'll pull the motor and pump from the opposite housing. I'll need to disconnect the yellow pressure switch wire. Now I'll remove the black cord wire from the switch. With the wire removed, now the motor and pump assembly is completely separate from the housing. Now I'll remove the 4 screws that secure the head assembly to the cylinder. Now I'll remove the head gasket, and that'll allow me to remove the tube seal and the output tube. I'll remove the tube seal from the output tube. Now remove the crimp clamp that secures the hose to the tube. And I'll separate the tube from the hose. Now I can install the new output tube. I'll place a new crimp clamp over the hose, install the output tube to the hose, and secure it with the clamp. Now reinstall the tube seal. Now reinstall the tube and tube seal into the head. I'll place the gasket over the head and align the head with the valve plate and cylinder. Once aligned, I'll secure it with the screws. Now reconnect the black wire to the switch. Now I'll install the motor and pump assembly back into the housing. I'll reconnect the yellow wire. And now I can install the other half of the housing. As I do this, I need to make sure that I align the cord relief with the housing. and I'll secure it with the screws. Now watch me resecure the motor assembly to the tank. I'll place the hose clamp over the pressure switch tube. Then I'll reinstall the tube onto the nipple on the manifold. I'll place the crimp clamp over the manifold nipple and secure it in place with a pair of end-nip pliers. I'll finish up by reinstalling the manifold cover. And that's all it takes to install a new outlet tube on your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.